Meet the wombat, a sturdy, barrel-shaped creature that's native to Australia. The wombat is a nocturnal animal, which means they're most active during the night. While we're sleeping, they're out searching for their dinner. Wombats are exceptional diggers. With their powerful legs and sharp claws, they create underground homes known as burrows. Guess what? Wombats have a unique defense. They have a tough, cartilage-filled backside which they use to block the entrance to their burrows when threatened. Baby wombats, known as joeys, grow up inside their mom's pouch. Unlike kangaroos, a wombat's pouch faces backwards. Once the joey is around 7 months old, they will leave the pouch. They will stay close to mom. Learning the ways of the wombat world. Wombats have a curious feature. They poop cubes. This helps them mark their territories and prevents their droppings from rolling away. For wombats, when the sun starts to rise, it's time to retreat to the comfort and safety of their burrows until the next night. Despite their solitary nature, wombats can be quite social too, often engaging in play behavior, particularly when they're young. These charming creatures certainly add a dash of uniqueness to our diverse planet.